Welcome to the very POCO M5, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, let's just hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one. Now we can see here a new created home screen folder. By the same way, you can add here more applications. If you want to rename the folder, click once on the name, and after that enter the new one. For example, the apps, tap to OK to home button, and we can see that our folder renamed successfully. If you want to move folder here on the screen, just hold and drag it. After that, we can also move folders between the screens. As you can see, that's so simple. Just hold it and then drag it here to the right upper or to the right corner. We can see here that we can create the new screens. And if you want to remove the application from the home screen and from the folder, you should just hold it and click to remove icon. But if you want to stay with this application on the home screen, just hold it and then drag it here, and you will remove it only from your folder. Removed applications from the folder and home screen you will find here in the apps menu. Also, you can remove all of the applications or just the folder with all of the applications in one click. Just hold and drag it here, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.